What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope all of you guys are having a wonderful day today. So I didn't really show you guys the trade that I was in for today, but I'm going to show you guys a recap that I did take the trade today. I did end up saving, but I just want to show you guys a little bit of what I did. So look at this. So ladies and gentlemen, the trade that I took today was off this daily fair value gap that I did. I seen that price did push down, but we did not ended up closing into this area. What I did was I did end up capturing this whole trade that was right below. So what I did was I went on the 15-second, I believe. I think it was a 15-second. Yeah, I mean the 15-minute. So I took a trade on the 15-minute time frame, and it was pretty damn good. So I seen that price was respecting this area on this 15-minute area. So what I ended up doing, I waited for a price to get into this area for this market structure shift. So all I did was get into this area, right, the market structure shift, and then I went on the 1 minute time frame. I seen that price shifted up, and then as you guys can see over here, we ended up touching this area, but I did not get into this trade. So all we ended up doing was just consolidating in this area, right, and then I waited for price to retest this 1 minute fair value gap, and it looked like price did ended up getting into this 1 minute fair value gap, and I ended up getting into this trade. As you can see, we got a push down, then we got to move up because I seen this on the 15-second time frame. I'm gonna start taking my trades on the 15-second time frame because I get my entries really good, right? I basically just captured all of this trade that was over here because on this 15-second time frame, we seen that price did make a fair value gap, and what price ended up doing was we got a market structure shift, came down, we did a manipulation, we came down, and then we made another market structure shift, right, since price came down and took these lows, right, so it swept over here and it came back into this area. And as you can see, we started having manipulation in this area, and this was going to be your buy side liquidity. We did not break that, so I knew that price was going to keep going right below. So what we ended up taking was, so I just followed the trail, right, came down, came into this manipulation, did not break above this high, put my stop loss right above this high since I seen that price kept going low, so I put my stop at break even. As you can see, we did 58 points, which is pretty good, and all I did was came into here, 1 minute fair value gap, respected it, came pushing down, so then I kept following it. So all I was doing was just following my stop loss. Following the trade. That's all I did. As you can see, we had this swing low over here, and as you can see, we had another fair value gap that's on the 15-second time frame. And as you guys can see, we respected this area once and twice. So we ended up just getting into this TP hit because I didn't want to really go any more lower because this pretty much all the trade was. We took these swing lows over here, and this was pretty much just a trade over here, guys. It was pretty simple for today, and then I ended up just calling it a day here. You know, nothing really too crazy. Really wanted to just get into this trade, and then I'm done, right? Since yesterday was Thanksgiving, I knew the price was gonna be kind of choppy. All I did was just getting to this trade, which was at kind of 10 minutes before market open. It just swung down, and then out of nowhere it just started sweeping up. But you guys could have gotten into this trade. I didn't really send it to the group chat, into the Discord, because I knew that I just wanted to just test out this new kind of concept of just following how, you know, price was shifting into this area. That's all I really wanted to do, just follow the trend. I didn't want nobody to get, you know, stopped out or, you know, lose money. So all I did was just kept this to myself because I didn't know if price was gonna work or not, you know what I mean? And I just been trying this new area of how I've been following price action for the past like day or two. I've been watching some videos on how actually price moves, and it looks like it did in our favor as well. I did end up getting into some more moves over here, but I didn't really follow it. I didn't really get it because I just, you know, I was just trying out price action. But we did a pretty good trade. It came out to be a 14.63. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much just the trade that I did. Pretty short stop loss right above these highs. I just followed it. But if you guys do want to learn how to trade, or if you guys want to, you know, look at the signals that I do, everything's free on the Discord. Just send me a DM, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. All right, have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. All right, take care.